Hello YouTube, I am going to planning a new movie, a new sequel franchise. MinionFan1024's Woody Woodpecker Racing 3 Lucius Strikes Back is coming on June 24th. And this movie is about a nastiest person on Miseryville named Lucius Heinous VII. He likes being bad and evil and rotten with their employees, Sammy and Chef Tony French and Mustachio. But they're having a plan to kill Woody the Woodpecker for their evil plans. And American spies, Danny D. Prime, and their newest spies, the spies of London, named Nick and Judy Blues, are come to save England. Let me know in the comments, and it's coming next year for Woody Woodpecker Racing 3. So, see you. This is Minion Fan signing off.